North Peninsula State Park. Let's go check out that beautiful sunrise right here at the beach. Out here, literally in the middle of the swamp, on the side of this crazy road, find ourselves the Sugarcane rum ruins. Let's head on in. There's squirrels over there going crazy. There's someone in that tree. But yeah, we are at the Dumit Plantation Mill ruins. And here's all the awesomeness that it was. Kind of cool. So let's go see how close we can actually get. This is pretty cool. Literally, there's like a wall left of this rum sugarcane processing facility. It's pretty cool that's out here literally in the middle of nowhere, guys. Love that. So we found ourselves here at this crazy sugarcane, awesome rum processing factory ruins. Apparently there's another one that's like down the street, so we're gonna head there next. And yeah, we'll see what else we find along the way, because there's so many random adventures all over the place ever around here. And this is literally like right off the side of the road, guys, so you can come on over and just chill it. Who doesn't like a bottle of rum? So we found ourselves at a state park, and there's another sugarcane ruins here, as well as like a whole bunch of really cool trails and stuff. This awesome picnic area and beautiful trees, of course. And some guy who just wants to leave his car open to go use the restroom. Love this. We're literally just cruising through the Florida wild, guys. So pretty and peaceful out here. Found a little baby frog. Look how cute that is. I love that. So we found this like walkway bridge, but a lot of this whole area has been destroyed from the last hurricane, so we'll see how far we can get. As of right now, let's go cruising. There's a whole awesome plaque right here that says this tree is over 1,000 years old, like she just said. This tree's beautiful, guys. Watch this channel long enough, you guys know I always show you trees. Look how far out the limbs go too. That's crazy, super cool. And then like look at this growth that's right there in the middle of that tree. That is so awesome. Oak trees. Well, we're gonna keep on cruising. It doesn't look like we're gonna get to the sugar plantation ruins here, because like all the trails are, like I said, are all closed off, kind of destroyed because of the ruins, or I should say the hurricanes. So bummer, but that doesn't mean this isn't gonna end here. The next part of our day is gonna be a surprise, so when we get there you'll see it. Tropical fruit and wine, fireworks, the nut house. Let's go see what they have. Everyone's favorite, boiled peanuts, but I'm really hoping that the oranges are from California. Oh wait, we're in Florida. Ooh, bags of pecans. All kinds of random jarred goodies though. Love that. Even more over here. Honey, oh, you can't go wrong with that either. I love how the gator has a pair of Mickey ears. That's awesome. Literally like where all the fireworks are, guys. Ooh, fireworks. Fireworks, smoke balls. Big old craziness. Bunch of fountains. They don't have like, oh, they do have mortars here. 84 balls. Oh, so yeah, awesomeness. This thing's crazy. How big the Godfather is. Love that. This is awesome. There's like all these different kinds of wine in here and stuff. Florida grapefruit, the orange one. Super cool. Well, that was all nuts. Literally, it's off to the next part of our day. Where we end up next, your guess is as good as mine. No matter where you are, always the cheapest gas. Love that. Pickled quail eggs. Are you guys down for this? Or spicy pickled eggs? All the random stuff they have here is great. Ooh, grape cotton candy. I know you guys are all for that one. Or the sweet and salty cookies. All the random things there, didn't feel like any of it. But they do have some cheap gas, so I needed some gas, and we're off to the next part of our day, wherever that might be. Stop the liquor sales. Oh wait, it's not liquor sales. We're going to freaking Costco. Oh, it's such a random day of funness. Costco, the very, very best. All kinds of wonderful, good things. Just like this huge bag of organic brown sugar. Too bad it's not CNH. Wouldn't be Costco if they didn't have samples. Ooh, balsamic vinegar.
That's a great idea. Yeah.
Ooh, the flowers are so pretty. So many different colors. Love that. Staple of Costco, chicken baked with mustard on it. Oh, so good, always. So, I actually went to the airport and picked up Hayden. Hayden is now gonna hang out with me the rest of the night, and we'll see what we get into. We stopped here at Tortas El Rey on Orange Blossom Trail to get some of the best tacos that I have found literally in the Orlando area and in the California area. Because apparently they say they're from Cali, so you never know. But let's get something scrumptious, and Hayden's all for it.
Oh yeah, these are the best pastors ever.
When I tell you guys these are the best, I really mean these are the best pastor tacos. Hayden got pastor tacos too. After I took him here last time, he's like, ask me, Rachel, take me back. Well, after grabbing some tacos, Hayden came to check in his hotel. We're at the Universal Hotel. What is it, the Endless Summer?
Yes, it's Universal's Endless Summer Resort dockside.
So specific. Well, first impressions of this room. I feel like I'm in a hospital bed, like white walls in hospitals, but it is what it is. Well, Hayden's gonna go have some fun tonight, and I've been up since 4:30 this morning. As you guys know, this has been an adventurous day. If you made it all the way to the end of this vlog, I congratulate you. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube, because you never know what other random things Hayden and I might film for you. Love you all. Peace.
Have a good night, y'all.
Hayden said have a good night, so if Hayden says have a good night, then you best be having the best night of your life, because I know he is every day.
Yep. If you guys don't like this video, I'll come after for you.
No, he won't.
No, I'm just kidding.
If you don't like the video, don't like the video, don't like it, don't like it. If you do like it, don't like it. If you like it, don't like it. If you want me to not make any more videos, then definitely don't like it. All right, I'm done. Bye.